Here we are called a textile tech. As you can see, mechatronic engineering. Here we have a fire rescue system here, an automatic fire rescue system that has been conceived with the sensor, the water pump with the water pressure pipe. We have the buzzer for alert, the servo motor for sprinkling, the two motor drivers to drive the motors, while we have our brake board for the wiring of the diagram using the jumper wire. We have our microcontroller known as Arduino Uno. While we run this system with the help of 12-volt battery. And also we are just actually going to show you how this fire rescue system function. It helps to fight fire in case there is nobody in that environment or the absence of people in the environment. You're able to fight and quench the fire without anybody actually doing that. By using the input sensors will send the message into the microcontroller, passing an information that there's fire around, while the microcontroller will analyze and give an information now to the output. The outputs are the water pump and also the buzzer. The buzzer is also now to pass a message for people to be aware that there's a fire around that place. So I am going to use a lighter to show you how the system sends and field fire and now fight the fire until the fire gets off. Then the system will automatically quench on its own. So okay, when the sensor sees the fire, it automatically take the input information, send it to the microcontroller. The microcontroller gives the output to the pump and the buzzer. The pump now will start spraying water to off the fire, while the buzzer will be passing out the message that there is a fire in that environment. Immediately the pump succeeds to quench the fire, everything will automatically quench. The system will be off. In case if the fire comes again, the system will pick the signal, keep on fighting the fire until the fire gets off. And when the fire gets off, the buzzer will stop, that there is no fire. The water pump will stop spraying water, and the servo motor will stop sprinkling the water. So that is the help of the firefighter system to fight fire in the absence of people, especially in places like companies and places that are very dangerous in case of fire. So with this system, the sensor also function. We program the sensor due to the distance, so it depends how you regulate the sensor to also pick signal in their different dimension. And now this system is very good in places like industry that deals with a lot of cottons, cloth and etc. You're able to fight the fire in case when there are no people in that environment, especially in the night when places are closed and people go back home to come back the next day. The system can be there the whole night, the day, to help to secure and fight without any human effort. So this is actually part of AI self-control system. So we use our laptop to send our source codes to the microchips placed on the Arduino board, as you can see. Thank you and stay tuned to Tester Tech Mechatronic Engineering. Thank you.